Now student, we start working on a project. We use Revit as a software, and we also work on using the pipe flow expert for pipe sizing and Excel sheets. And after that we will also learn another software, that is pipe flow expert. So first of all we start working on Revit. So here you see this is new file, new select on first I can introduce Revit. This is a model tab. From here we can select any model, and if we have model already then we open this model from here. And if we uh, create a family like plumbing fixture or any other, then we want to create new family, then we select this option. And if we have already family we want to open, then select this open. And here there are some models. So first of all we will select this new, and then start working on here you see there is no plumbing in this. So we will select this browser, and here see, if you these are template. If you want to work on in meter, then you will select this metric system. If you want work on imperial, then select this imperial system. And here you see this is plumbing by default, so select this file and open it, and then select open. So here you see the plumbing file is open. So after opening of this file, here you see from these are this is one is ribbon, and here these are architectural, this is architectural tab, this is structural tab, and this one is system tab. So we work on system tab, and here we will work on HVAC, piping and plumbing and piping and electrical. So we will work on this piping and plumbing and piping. So after that here you see these are many other tab, and we use all these tabs one by one. So here you see this one is property palette, and this one is project browser. So and here this one is, these are different for visuals. We will see different visuals from here, and this is drawing area. So first of all we create work on architecture, and then we will link this file with Revit. So how we can link file with Revit? In next video we will learn how we can link file and import file on Revit, and then start working on it.